हे गाइस, मैं सुजाता। वेलकम टू माय चैनल नेचर ब्यूटी। आज मैं आप लोगों को एक स्पेशल वीडियो दिखाने जा रही हूँ। स्पेशल वीडियो बनाई हूँ, 2-3 एपिसोड ये कंटिन्यू करेगा। ये स्पेशल वीडियो है सीनियर सिटीजन्स के ऊपर, जो लोग घर पे बैठ के या अपने चेयर पे बैठ के या अपने बेड पे बैठ के ये सब योगा पोस्चर को कर सकते हैं। एंड दे बिफोर डूइंग दिस थिंग, उसको करने से पहले उन लोगों को समझना होगा कि व्हाट इज प्राणा, हम लोग इसको क्यों करेंगे, तब जाके उनके ऊपर इसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। तो इसीलिए मैं पहले प्राण क्या है, प्राण हमारा बॉडी को कैसे अक्यूमुलेट करता है, कैसे एनर्जी फ्लो में मदद करता है, ये सब को मैं पहले आपको समझा दूंगी। फिर हम एक्सरसाइज के ऊपर जाएंगे। एंड एक्सरसाइज तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, सीटिंग पोस्चर, स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर, जो लोग जितना कर सकते हैं आप लोग उसी हिसाब से उतना ही कीजिए। ज़्यादा फोर्स करके कुछ भी करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए, कुछ टाइम लगेंगे बट ये आप हो जाए। बट द थिंग इज दैट इफ यू आर मूविंग योर हैंड्स और सम ऑफ एक्सरसाइज वी आर डूइंग every day, that will flexible our body, not only that also gives you the energy flow perfectly. And those people who are suffering from many diseases like lifestyle diseases, before doing this yoga they just need to consult with their doctor, with the yoga teacher. But the simple yogas you can do, but other things don't try to do. Just move your hands or something, just you can ask me, I can show you these things. Another thing, अनदर पार्ट में वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी प्राणायाम के बारे में। प्राणायाम को कैसे करना है वो सबको अभी और एक वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी। तो आप अभी जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ इस सबको ठीक से सुनिए और ठीक से मुझे फॉलो कीजिए, जैसे एनर्जी। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्सन हु प्रॉपरली रिकॉग्नाइज दिस प्राणा एनर्जी, they can do everything in their life as they want, as they like. And energy is flows properly in our body. That time we feel very challenging and we are accepting all the challenges of life. We just feel that someone is lifting us. कोई हमें पुश कर रहा है, कोई हमें लिफ्ट अप कर रहा है कि हम अपने लाइफ के सारे चैलेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करें। हमें इतना स्ट्रेंथ मिल जाता है लाइफ के हर चैलेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करके, हर मुश्किल को पार करके आगे। डोमिनेटेड बाय सो मेनी थिंग्स लाइक आवर लाइफस्टाइल, आवर स्ट्रेस, our relationship stress, means our pollution, and so many this type of things for which it just dominated, it just can't act properly. So that time we just need to move for a fresh air. Still many things nature has given us, that all are pure, means the sunlight is still pure, the water is still pure, the sea is still pure, the air is still pure in that forest areas, that climate where the pollution is not present. Still all these things are pure, still the blossom of the flowers are pure. So when we are moving through all these things, that time we just getting the proper prana, means it just transform, means our energy transform to the natural force, by the natural force to the pure energy, means here we are getting the life force properly, the life energy properly. So every time I am saying all of you to just move for whenever you are getting time. Don't try to go for the movies and malls and any other places like that, because here in these places we are not getting that type of prana energy, that type of life force energy properly. Because here when we are going through, that time in any movie hall is full up with the crowds. There we are not getting the proper breathe, proper oxygen and proper that climate. And when we are watching the movie, that time it may stress our mind, or may full of love our mind, or maybe jokes and accents and many things are there in a movie. But that things are not healing your body. And when you are moving anywhere that gives you pleasure, that is okay, but at least once in a month just try to move some that type of places, or once in a week just try to move through that type of places, means where you are getting the pure environment, like the garden, the near to the sea, near to the river, or some natural places where you are just getting the pure breath out of city where no pollutions are there. That type of places, if you are moving every time frequently, that time just calmly sit there and feel your energy, feel your pranic energy, what type of energy your body wants and what you are getting there, how much calm you will feel there in your mentally, physically and spiritually. So that nowadays it's really not possible to deal with this much stress, but it is possible if we'll think like this type of if we think to be stressless, to be we want to stay happy, and my happiness is my right, nobody can take it from me. This is the pure happiness, this is the real happiness. Don't depend others on others for your happiness. You want to be happy, just stay happy. Another thing, challenges are the part of life, and accept these challenges. Any challenges coming in your life, just accept that, stay happy, just stay calm, and just imagine you are out of all these challenges. Another thing, that proper sleep. Try to go for a proper sleep, but because when you are going for a proper sleep, that time you understand that sleep gives you energy. Here I am giving you some ways to feel your prana energy. First is that meditation. Meditation is what? Just sit in a calm place, means close one room and go for a proper place to sit, and with a clean asana. And in any place, means if you can sit down, then you can sit in any chair, that type of, and just close your eyes and look after your breath. Focus on your breath, how you are inhaling, how you are exhaling. So when you are focusing on that breath, that time you are just entering into yourself. So that time your focus, fully focused, move towards you. That is the proper meditation. When you are just looking at deeper and deeper towards yourself, that time you are just feeling the power of meditation. This is the first step to meditate, and there are more steps of meditation than higher meditation. Many things are there, but this is the first thing. When you just go to start your meditation, that time just you can start off like this, sitting and sitting properly, and breathe. Just look after your breathing process, and just take the breath. Breath is a connection of source to bring our life force into our body. And when our breathing system is perfect, that time we are getting that energy like meditation and pranayama. This energy gives us the real result of life energy, that feels us energy. I think is a high foods. When high foods means that I told you before, that what foods you are taking, that have an impact on your body and your mind, also in your soul. And so when you are preparing any food or taking any food, just try to go for any organic food. That organic foods are actually being planted with some extra love and care. That's why we're just preparing for organic food, not for the poisonous spread foods like. So just whenever you are dreams and desires, this wishes to universe through our soul path. And this affirmation, our speaking commands matters here. Our speaking commands means what we are saying, what type of commands we are using, what type of language we are using, and the tools like the prayers. Means when we are praying properly, when we are praying, that prayer should be that much impactable, that to send towards the universe, so that the universe should reply you firstly. That you can understand better if you are going through all these things. Just try to laugh. Fifth energy is the laughing energy, means just try to laugh. Laugh in silly things, laugh in no matter, laugh in anything that comes to you. Just accept the things and start laughing. Means, yeah, this is the normal thing, I can accept it, I can trust it, I can overcome it. All these things, when you set your mind like this, then that time you just can overcome everything. And another thing, the laughing is the capacity that we are just teaching in yoga processes to laugh. Because when we laugh, all our nervous system actives, our mind generates, that time we are getting the proper energy through laughing. And just laugh like a child without reason. When a child while laughing, he don't know the real reason of laughing, but he laughs all the time, he just enjoys it. Another thing is consistency in love. That means When we love someone, that means we need to constantly love that person, that things, that circumstances without any expectation, means constantly. It not should be means it should be in our practice to love everyone. It's not the thing that we will love today and after some days we will forget this. But the thing, every day if you are practicing like this, means it's not for a week or for a month, but make it in your nature that to love everyone. That time this thing automatically give you that energy, and that force will accumulate in your body. Try to love each and everyone surrounding you, and make it in your habit that when you love someone, that time it should not be for a week or for a month. Just make yourself open, just make yourself that much clear to love everyone. Maybe they may hate you, they may gossip in back of you, they may don't love you, but don't think of that, because your thing is that you love them. Don't expect that love from them. When you are expecting that time, it hurts us. But if you don't expect that same love from them, that time it will not hurt us at least. So just understand this thing that love unconditionally not only, but also love consistently. That means constantly love. Not for weeks or months. Just make it in your habit that you will love each and everyone throughout your life. So that will give you energy. That will give your prana more force to be energetic. When we help the sufferings, the miserable people, and be sympathetic with them, and when we are sympathized with the animals, and for anything, for plants, for anything, anyone, that time the universe hosts us and gives us the energy and reshape our destiny and our planet. So that is the best thing, to get energy from each and everyone. Here I am showing you some techniques of energy flow. Means the people who can do it in standing position, they also can do it in sitting position. And you put your right hand on your cuff, then your left hand on it. Rotation, rotate 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Then this both sides of this, your both sides of head, in just side of your eyebrows, 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Please are in your third person, 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Then your navel person, 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Here just next is just going further. Make a space between your legs. Then rotate your eyes. First side by side, 3 times, 3 times. Then up and down, up 3 times, down 3 times. Then side by side, left side and right side, 3 times, 3 times. Then rotate 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Then neck rotation, side, 3 times, 3 times, up and down. When you are doing it just down, touch your gland. Means those people who are thyroid, this make your thyroid portion. So just touch this portion of your neck. Three times. Then rotation. Another thing here, I want to say, those people who can do it properly, means properly by rotating it, they can do. Otherwise, just left right is okay. You can do rotation for 3 times and anti-clockwise also for 3 times, like this. Another thing next is hand rotation. Just if you can move your both hands together, Then just move your both hands together clockwise 6 times and anti-clockwise 6 times, like this. Otherwise, just one hand 6 times clockwise and 6 times anti-clockwise. Another hand 6 times clockwise, 6 times anti-clockwise. Then just touch both elbows. Also, you can do all these things by in sitting position in chair or in your bed. This will activate all your nervous system, and after doing some days you will feel very energetic. You also can do this 3 times and 3 times. Then just try to push your hands back. Push your hands back. How much you can stretch up and then down. Then like this, rotate your wrist clockwise 3 times and anti-clockwise 3 times. Then your knee portion, those people who can do this by their knees, they just can do by in standing like this, just hold somewhere and do this, but it's like this rotation, and if you can't do, just do it, otherwise leave it. Clockwise 3 times or anti-clockwise 3 times, or you can increase it to 6 times also. Then hold somewhere and your hip person, hip rotation. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then hold the next leg. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Also here another posture come. Put your hands like this and your feet needs to be flat. How much you can hold yourself there? It may be 1 time or 2 times. You can do this. Guys, I think you just love this video. The making of this video was for the elders only. Some of my elder people, they have messaged me in personal ID and WhatsApp that to make some special videos and for elders that they are not, जो लोग के अच्छे से काम कुछ एक्सरसाइज वगैरह नहीं कर पाते, उन लोगों के लिए स्पेशल वीडियो है। वो लोग कुछ रिक्वेस्ट किए थे मुझे व्हाट्सएप में, तो ये स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए। मैं नेक्स्ट ये इसका तो एक एपिसोड में नहीं ख़त्म होगा, तो इसका मैं 2-3 पार्ट बना दूंगी, जिसको आप लोग का आसानी होगा समझने में। अनदर थिंग, जो लोग को समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहे हैं तो वो लोग मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, तो मैं उनके लिए उनको फिर से समझाने की कोशिश करूँगी। तो आप लोग इस वीडियो को देखिए एंड फॉलो कीजिए, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। सो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। एंड नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में मैं आप लोग को ऐसे ही कुछ अच्छे वीडियो दिखाऊंगी। एंड ये जो एक्सरसाइज की वजह से इसका भी बहुत सारे है इजी आसनास एंड सिंपल आसनास, तो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी। तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।